Hi, my name is Jenny with FiltersForLife.com, and I'm going to show you how to upgrade an Aprilaire 2200 or a 2400 air cleaner from a MERV 10 filter to a MERV 13 filter. And you will not need to deal with the hassle of the pleated spacers. First, you'll have your upgrade kit, which is part number 1213 for the 2200 and 1413 for the 2400. They are both exactly the same except for the difference in model numbers. I will show you how to put together the media frame, which has 2 bottom rails and 4 supports. The 4 supports will slide right into the 4 corners. And they'll click when they're in place. You will then take the top rail, do the same thing. You now have the media frame assembled. Your next step is going to be to remove the old housing from the air cleaner. You will then place the frame into your air cleaner. It will slide right in. Then you will take your new filter, which again is part number 213, or for the 2400, 413. It will expand just like this. Then you'll line it up on the rail, making sure that the arrow on the filter is facing towards the furnace. Slide that right in. Take your door, place that right back on, and you will need to remember, if your furnace is calling for heat, you'll need to shut the switch off at the furnace, but this is all you need to do. Easy as can be.